Anti-aging vitamin C serum benefits. Benefits. It's safe for most skin types. It's hydrating. It's brightening. It helps reduce redness and even out your skin tone. It helps fade hyperpigmentation. It reduces the appearance of under-eye circles. It promotes collagen production. It may help prevent skin sagging. It protects against sun damage. It may help soothe sunburns. And it generally helps boost wound healing. InstaNatural Retinol Serum Anti-Aging Review. Description: Skincare. Vitamin C, Hyaluronic Acid, Niacinamide. Not tested on animals. Our retinol serum contains a carefully formulated blend of ingredients to address the most common concerns of aging. Retinol boosts the skin's natural renewal process, visibly reducing the appearance of lines, wrinkles and discoloration, while vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and niacinamide defend and nourish to add radiance, hydration and firmness to the skin. Suggested use: massage a small amount onto cleansed and toned skin, allowing the serum to absorb completely. Follow with moisturizer. For best results, apply this product nightly. Warnings: for external use only. Discontinue use if redness or irritation occurs. Avoid direct contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water. Keep out of reach of children. This product contains retinol, which may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use a sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure while using this product and a week afterwards. Consult your doctor before use if pregnant. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.